Eto ako ngayon, nag-iisa, charot lang. Look, the wild geese are swimming. So cute. Masyadong mailap tong seagull na ito. Ganda dito, sobra. I'm here walking in Harbor Square Park West. Hi. Ganito naman talaga ang buhay, always alone, pero happy naman. How are you guys? I miss all of you. I wish all of you were here so that you can see all of this amazing things around here. Hi, I'm here sitting lang, walang ginagawa. Tambay mo muna. Kanina pa ako naglalakad, pagod na ako. Hi. Ba yun? Fire truck. So that's Rogers Center.